Hey guys, today is our Chinese Mid-Autumn Festival, but we are working here. Um, a lot of orders to handle, so we just make sure when we come back to work, we will have enough time to ship out all the hair for customers. You see, this is the two texture I'm introducing to you. I think you can see the difference. This one is our deep wave curve. Deep curve. This one is our jelly curve. Actually, we are making all this type of hair for customers. Every day we ship out the hair. So you see when I'm straightening. I'm sorry, I'm sweating a lot today. It's a little bit busy. I want to show you after you install this dip curve. We also call it dip curve. After install or use this hair to make the wigs, it just look like this. It just look like this. This is what we ship the bundles to customers before and she made into the wigs and spray the water to spray the wig. This. So let me show you how to make this. After you make it into the wig, you remember always use the spray to wet the hair. This is what I always like to do, and I also suggest my customer to do it. This, like this. If it's more gorgeous after you wet the hair, it just looks very nice. Very nice. So I will show you another two texture. This one. This is the one we call it Spanish curl. Also, we call some customer we call it Italian curl. This one. The texture is a little bit looser, but it's very nice curl. This one. Can you see the volume? This one. This one. The Afro kinky, the Afro kinky one. Actually, a lot of customers ask us every day to make this texture for them. Especially some customers like to make into the clipping extension. Actually, but we only accept orders. Minimum order quantity. To make this minimum order quantity. Is with this. Sometimes you need to, for this Afro kinky, sometimes you need to spray with the water. Always remember when the curl is tighter, it's harder to maintain it, but you need to use the water, to smooth the hair. But remember, you cannot use the comb to comb the hair, just will destroy the texture. Just use your hand like this. This one. So we are packing a lot of hair for customers today. And tomorrow we'll be on holiday. Actually today is also the holiday, but we need to work. A lot of orders to handle. Of course, also this type of hair, 100% cuticle line. So if you have any interest, you can send us a picture to tell us what type of curl you want, so we can make for you. No matter it's clipping extension or the wigs, bundles, and close or frontal. So we can discuss in details. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.
Hey. He took me back to East Atlanta, nah, nah, nah. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners, Havana, oh no. He didn't walk up with that, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't with them. Doing forever in a minute. That's on my night. And Papa says he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to Havana, ooh, nah, nah. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, nah, nah. He took me back to East Atlanta, nah, nah, nah. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners, Havana, ooh, nah.